Hello friends, have you ever struggled with a Windows issue and wished someone could just explain it clearly? Or wondered how VMware or Azure works behind the scenes? You're not alone, and that's exactly why I'm here. My name is Sampath. I started my career in a billing role, but my curiosity about technology led me to learn hardware and networking back in 2008. Since then, I've worked hands-on in IT, beginning as a hardware engineer, and eventually becoming a certified professional in Windows Server 2003 and 2012 R2, Hyper-V, VMware Data Center Virtualization, and Microsoft Azure. This channel is all about real-time troubleshooting and simple explanations, whether it's a Windows login issue, a Hyper-V VM that won't start, or setting up Azure Virtual Networks. I'm here to break it down in a way anyone can understand, even if you're not from a tech background. If you're a beginner, a student, or someone who manages IT without being a full-time expert, this channel is your toolkit. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon. I'll be uploading step-by-step videos that solve real problems, with no confusing jargon. Thanks for being here on day one. I'm excited to share my experience with you and grow together. First troubleshooting video is coming up next, stay tuned.